Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to duplicate your notes on the Beer application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone, then you should tap on the note that you want to duplicate. Now tap on the icon that you can find in the upper right corner of the screen next to the I or the information icon. Now tap on the third option, which is duplicate note. So now your note has been duplicated. You can check it by going back to the previous page by tapping on this icon in the upper left corner of the screen. As you can see, there are two of this to-do list. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.